Here's a truth modern science is only beginning to confirm. Your gut is the command center of your immune system. Around 70% of your body's immune cells live in or around the intestines. If your gut thrives, your defenses thrive. If it suffers, everything else suffers too. This is why Moringa's impact on digestion and immunity isn't two separate benefits. It's one powerful system upgrade. Today, we're breaking down how Moringa nourishes your microbiome, fortifies your immune defenses, and outperforms many popular supplements on the market. Stay until the end, because I'll share the exact daily ritual that locks in Moringa's gut immune synergy. Think of your gut microbiome as a thriving metropolis. Trillions of bacteria live there, building, cleaning, and protecting your body from within. Some are allies that support digestion and immunity. Others are enemies, pathogens, waiting for weakness. Your immune system constantly monitors this city. A flourishing microbiome sends all clear signals. The damaged one triggers alarms, inflammation, and infections. Supplements like probiotics try to fix this by adding bacteria. But probiotics are fragile. They often don't survive stomach acid. Moringa takes a smarter approach. It doesn't just add bacteria, it feeds and fortifies the ones you already have. Moringa is rich in prebiotic fibers, the food your beneficial bacteria need to grow. Studies show that when these fibers are consumed regularly, levels of bifidobacteria and lactobacillus increase significantly. These are the strains linked to stronger digestion, nutrient absorption, and reduced inflammation. Users often report, within weeks, less bloating, improved bowel regularity, better nutrient absorption. One clinical study found Moringa imputed nutrient absorption efficiency by 40%, meaning your body gets more from the food you already eat. And here's the kicker. A healthy gut microbiome produces short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, which directly reduce inflammation throughout the body. Now, let's connect the dots. A stronger gut lays the foundation, but Moringa also directly stimulates immune pathways. Inside Moringa are 3 game-changing compounds. 1. Vitamin A fortifies mucosal barriers in your nose, throat, and gut, the first line of defense against pathogens. 2. Zinc, essential for white blood cell activation. Without zinc, your immune cells can't communicate properly. 3. Isothiocyanates, unique plant chemicals that trigger detoxification enzymes, clearing toxins before they overload your system. The result? Users in studies reported 35% fewer respiratory infections and faster recovery times after consistent Moringa intake. This isn't a coincidence. It's biochemistry. Here's where Moringa separates itself from isolated pills and powders. Synergy. Standard iron supplements absorb poorly, 20%, and cause stomach issues. Moringa's natural iron pairs with vitamin C and polyphenols, raising absorption to 60% without side effects. Probiotics often fail to colonize. Moringa's prebiotics nourish the bacteria already adapted to your system. Vitamin C pills deliver one nutrient. Moringa delivers it with antioxidants, enzymes, and cofactors that help your body actually use it. Your body doesn't recognize isolated capsules as food, but Moringa? It's a whole food matrix. That's why your system accepts it, absorbs it, and multiplies its benefits. Here's the surprising part. Many people take Moringa inconsistently, just once or twice a week. That's not enough. Your gut microbiome works on momentum. If you feed good bacteria daily, they multiply and dominate. If you neglect them, harmful strains creep back in. Consistency is the real secret. Even 1/2 teaspoon daily builds a stronger foundation than sporadic high doses. Want to unlock Moringa's dual benefits? Try this routine. 1. In the morning, mix Moringa powder into warm, not boiling water with lemon juice. The vitamin C supercharges iron absorption. 2. At lunch, add Moringa to a salad with olive oil or avocado. The healthy fats boost absorption of carotenoids and antioxidants. 3. Finally, At evening, stir into a light vegetable soup at the end of cooking. Low heat preserves delicate compounds. Follow this for 14 days and notice your digestion feels smoother. You bounce back faster from colds or fatigue. Your energy stays more stable throughout the day. The real secret is this: Moringa doesn't just fix one problem. It makes your whole system more resilient. Your gut absorbs more nutrients, which lead your body runs more efficiently. Your microbiome thrives, and that makes your immune defenses stay on high alert. Your cells get steady energy, which makes your brain and body both perform better. Instead of targeting one symptom, Moringa upgrades the foundation, and that's why results feel so different compared to supplements.